You do not need a classroom. You do not need a teacher standing next to you. You just need 10 minutes a day at home and the right method.
Today, we give you that exact method.
I am Amelia.
I am James. And in the next 12 minutes, you will have a complete daily practice plan you can start today, at home, alone.
Let us begin.
Let us talk about something important first. Many learners believe they need a classroom or a partner to improve.
But the truth is simpler than that. Speaking practice at home, alone, can be just as powerful, sometimes even more powerful.
Why? Because at home there is no pressure. No one is watching, no one is judging. Your mouth and your brain can relax, and when they relax, they learn faster.
Think about learning to walk again after sitting for a long time. You do not start by running. You start with small steps, at home, alone.
English speaking is exactly the same. Home practice is your small steps, and small steps every day build real strength over time. Say this with me right now. I do not need a classroom to improve. I just need 10 minutes today. Say it. Pause. Together. I do not need a classroom to improve. I just need 10 minutes today. Section 1 summary. Home practice removes pressure. Less pressure means faster learning. Small steps at home build real strength.
Now let us give you the method. 3 parts, 10 minutes total, every single day.
Part 1. 3 minutes. Speak about your day out loud.
Stand or sit comfortably. Describe what you did this morning in simple sentences out loud.
For example, I woke up at 7 o'clock. I made tea. I read the news for a while. Say it. Together. I woke up at 7 o'clock. I made tea. I read the news for a while.
Part 2. 3 minutes. Listen and repeat.
Choose any short audio in English, a podcast, a video, even this one. Listen to one sentence, then repeat it out loud.
Let us practice this right now. Listen to my sentence, then say it after me. I am becoming more confident every single day. Say it. Together. I am becoming more confident every single day.
Part 3. 4 minutes. Describe an object or a photo.
Choose anything near you. A cup, a photo, a book. Describe it out loud for 1 full minute.
For example, this cup is white. I use it every morning. It reminds me of my grandmother. Say it. Together. This cup is white. I use it every morning. It reminds me of my grandmother. 3 parts, 10 minutes. Speak about your day. Listen and repeat. Describe an object. Comment challenge number 1. Out of these 3 parts, which one do you think will be the easiest for you? Speaking about your day, listening and repeating, or describing an object? Write 1, 2, or 3 in the comments. We read every single one.
A method only works if you actually use it every day. So let us talk about turning this into a real habit.
Habit tip 1. Practice at the same time every day.
Your brain loves routine. Choose one moment, right after breakfast, right before bed, the same time every day.
Habit tip 2. Keep it short on purpose.
10 minutes feels possible. 1 hour feels like too much. Short and consistent always beats long and occasional.
Habit tip 3. Track your days.
Use a simple calendar. Put a mark on every day you practice. Watching the marks grow becomes its own motivation.
Let us practice a tracking sentence right now. Today is day 1. I am building a new habit. Say it. Pause. Together. Today is day 1. I am building a new habit.
Section 3 Summary. Same time every day. Keep it short. Track your progress. This turns practice into a habit, and habits last.
Now, let us talk about mistakes that stop home practice from working.
Mistake number 1. Practicing only in your head, never out loud.
Silent practice helps your understanding, but speaking out loud is what trains your actual voice and mouth.
Mistake number 2. Waiting for a perfect quiet moment.
The perfect moment rarely comes. Practice in the kitchen. Practice while walking. Practice anywhere, even for a few minutes.
Mistake number 3. Stopping after a few days because progress feels slow.
Real progress is often invisible day to day. You usually feel the change after a few weeks, not a few days.
Quick practice. I say the discouraging thought. You say the encouraging thought out loud. Discouraging thought. I have practiced for a week and nothing changed. Encouraging thought? Say it.
Real change is happening, even when I cannot feel it yet.
Every encouraging thought you choose keeps your habit alive a little longer.
Practice time. Let us do a full 10-minute method in a short version right now.
First, speak about your day. Say one sentence about this morning. Out loud.
Now, listen and repeat. Every day I am improving a little more. Say it. Pause. Together. Every day I am improving a little more.
Now, describe an object near you. Look around. Choose one thing. Describe it in one sentence. Out loud.
Beautifully done. You just practiced all 3 parts of the method, right here, right now.
Comment challenge number 2. What time of day will you choose for your 10 minutes? Morning, afternoon, or evening?
Write your answer in the comments. This tells us when our community practices most. We have reached the end of today's lesson.
You do not need a classroom. You do not need anyone watching. You just need 10 minutes and this method.
Quick final review. 3 parts, 10 minutes. Speak about your day. Listen and repeat. Describe an object.
3 habit tips. Same time every day. Keep it short. Track your progress.
Comment challenge number 3, our final one. Start today. Practice your 10 minutes. Then come back tomorrow and tell us how day 1 felt for you.
We genuinely want to read your story. Write it below tomorrow.
If today helped you, please share it with someone who wants to practice English at home too.
Like this video. Subscribe to Lore Learn English. Press the bell for new episodes every week.
Confidence is not something you wait for. Confidence is something you build. 10 minutes. At home. Today.
See you next time.